In this video, I'll guide you through how to create invoices in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a simple, reusable setup that lets you generate clean, professional invoices without needing any extra invoicing software. First, on your computer, open your web browser and go to airtable.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account or create one if you're new to Airtable. Once you're on the main Airtable dashboard, you'll see your existing workspaces and bases. Next, either open the base where you want to manage your invoices or create a brand new base dedicated to invoicing. If you already have a base for clients, projects, or finances, you might choose to keep everything together and add invoices there. Otherwise, creating a new base called something like invoices or billing can help keep things organized and separate from your other data. Inside your base, make sure you have a table that will hold your invoice records. If a table for invoices doesn't already exist, create one. You can rename it to something clear like invoices. This table is where each row or record will represent a single invoice. Now, you'll want to set up the fields that make up each invoice. Start by adding fields such as client name, invoice number, date, item description, quantity, price, and total. For client name, you can use a single line text field or link it to another table if you manage clients separately. Invoice number can be a text or number field, depending on how you prefer to format your numbering system. Date should use the date field type so you can sort and filter invoices by when they were issued. Item description can be a longer text field to capture what you're billing for, and quantity and price should be number fields so they can be used in calculations. To automatically calculate each invoice total, add a formula field and name it total. In the formula settings, you can use a simple expression like quantity multiplied by price. For example, type quantity, price as your formula. Airtable will automatically compute the total for every record, which helps avoid manual math errors and keeps everything consistent. With your structure in place, start entering your invoice details as records in the table. Each new row is one invoice. Fill in the client's name, assign an invoice number, select the date, describe the item or service, and enter the quantity and price. As soon as you do that, the total field will update automatically based on the formula you set earlier. To make your invoices look more presentable when you share them, switch to a gallery view or create an interface. Gallery view displays each record as a card, which can look more like a document. You can customize which fields show on the card so that the most important invoice details are clear. If you want even more control over the layout, use Airtable interfaces to design a cleaner invoice style screen that pulls in your invoice data. When you're ready to send an invoice, open the specific record you want to use. With that record open, press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. This will bring up the print dialog where you can either print the invoice directly or choose the option to save it as a PDF. Saving as a PDF is usually best for emailing or securely sharing the invoice with your client. Once saved, you can attach it to an email or upload it through whatever system you use to communicate with clients.